everybody, today I'm going to show you how we can roast quails. I'm going to stuff them with rice, and I'm going to show you the way of how we can cook the rice. It's very easy and simple, so yummy and healthy. I'm going to show you the ingredients first. Here I have 4 quails, cleaned and washed very good from inside and outside. We need butter, we need salt, we need black pepper, and if you like to add with the quails, at the bottom of the tray you can add bay leaves, cardamom. I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary, and if you have this little tiny delicious things, it's called nutmeg. So you can cut a little bit from the nutmeg and add it. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter. So all what we need is rosemary, black pepper and salt. But if you like, the flavor to be more delicious and smell so nice and yummy, you can add bay leaves and cardamom and this nutmeg. Okay, so first step, let's cook the rice, because we need to stuff the quails, and after that we can prepare them and roast them in the oven. So let's show you how to make the rice. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the cooker. In a pot I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And here I have a small onion. I'm going to chop it. While the oil getting hot, I'm going to chop the onion. Okay, so now I'm going to add the onion and fry them. Okay, so as you can see, we chopped a small onion and we fry it with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We need salt, we need 7 spices, and we need, if you don't have 7 spices, you can use instead of them garam masala. And you need cinnamon powder, so we need about half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and we need 1 cup of rice. And optional, you can add chopped almond, so I like to add a little bit of chopped almond. Also, if you like, you can add nuts, walnuts with the rice, so as you like. Here we go, we fry the onion a little bit. We don't want it to be golden brown, so just a little bit. Now I'm going to add, if you like to add nuts, you have to add them with the onion, about 2 tablespoons or less than that if you like. If you like to add more as well, fry it for about a minute. Okay, now I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to add about half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of 7 spices, also half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and that will give a nice taste. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water, so each 1 cup of rice need to be adding 2 cups of water. Add on them. Okay, so here we go. This is the first step. Here's the next one. Oh, nice smell comes out of the rice. Wow. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave them until the rice leave them on high heat until the rice start to boil, and after that I'm going to cover them and put them in low heat, on the lowest heat, and cook them as as normally you cook the normal rice. Okay guys, as you can see, the rice is ready now to be covered with water evaporated. So now I'm going to cover the rice and put it in the lowest heat, like so, number one, and leave it between 15 to 20 minutes, and after that we'll be ready and we can stuff the quails and roast them. Okay guys, so now after we finish cooking the rice, as you can see I cook it fully cooked, so it's ready. Now what I'm going to do, we need salt. As I said, we need salt, black pepper, and we need butter, and all these flavor, rosemary, bay leaves, cardamom. So we need to start taking the rice and stuffed the quails with the rice, like so. So each one about 2 tablespoons or 4 teaspoons, like so. Wow, that's enough. So because the quails is too small, so they don't need to be cooked too much in the oven, so between 30 to 40 minutes, maybe less. So I'm going to check them after that, after 30 minutes, because they're not big, so they're not going to take too much time. That's why we need to cook the rice, otherwise it will stay raw inside. I'm going to take the quails from here, these 2 skins, and put this one and close it with the toothpick. Ouch, like so. Ooh. Okay, like this. So now I'm going to carry on doing the rest. I'm going to take some of the rice here. Okay, so now after I finish, I'm going to take some of the butter, 1 tablespoon, and then put it like this, spread it at the bottom of the tray. Like so. Okay, and now I'm going to add bay leaves. I'm going to add the rosemary, just to give a nice delicious taste and flavor, the cardamom, and chopped nutmeg. Whoops. Like so. Okay, and also I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And here we go. Here is the first one. We have to take the butter and massage all the in from outside, like so, like so, and that will make all these butters going to melt. So I'm going to throw all the sauce or all the fatty. So I'm going to throw all the fatty which comes out of these butters and quails. So this is the final one. Just do it like this, and then add salt and only black pepper. turn them on the other side, and then take a little bit of salt and put it like this, and then take black pepper, do them like this, and then turn them. Like so. Here is the black pepper, the rest of the black pepper. We don't want to add too many spices. So, wow, that's absolutely great. So now I'm going to put them in the oven for about 30 minutes and check them if they need more or no. I'll tell you after that. Bye. Okay, so this is after 30 minutes exactly. The quails are ready now. As you can see, they roast, they golden brown, they look so yummy. I'm going to serve them with rice, the same rice that we stuffed the quails with it. Okay. The rice smells so yummy. The cinnamon powder. I'm going to add a little bit of roasted almond on the rice. You can add pine nuts as you like. And I'm going to take the quail. Okay, so we have to take now the toothpicks like so, and take it like this. Ouch, that's very hot. Okay, this is the last one. Whoops. Wow, they look so yummy. I'm going to add these 2 slices of lemon, and here I have some rocket just for decoration. Wow. Okay, and we have the rest of the roasted almonds, so you can add them on the quails. Wow, really does look absolutely awesome. And guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. As you can see, very easy to make, very easy to prepare the quails at home. Also, if you want to make them stuffed, if not, just cook rice and that's it. Do the same. And I hope you enjoy watching, so please leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Enjoy. Bye.